Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
Most vehicles with automatic transmissions have solenoids which manage fluid pressure between the hydraulic circuits of the transmission assembly. The solenoids are grouped together and labeled A, B, C, etc. When the powertrain control module, PCM, detects that there is a problem with solenoid group A, code P0773 may appear when you connect an analysis tool. What does code P0773 mean? Code P0773 is defined as electric shift solenoid A. The PCM can trigger several associated codes depending on the type of malfunction it detects. For this particular code, the PCM perceives that the shift solenoid AES circuit has an electrical malfunction. Code P0773 is set if your PCM perceives that the shift solenoid circuit E is electrically faulty. Note, the code P0773 may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P0773? The code definition may indicate an electrical malfunction in the solenoid assembly, but the code may also be defined by several transmission-related problems, such as the following: insufficient transmission fluid, dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, dirty or clogged transmission fluid filter, defective transmission valve body, clogged hydraulic passages, internal transmission failure, defective shift solenoid, corroded or damaged connectors, faulty or damaged wiring, faulty PCM. What are the common symptoms of code P0773? A gearshift solenoid problem can lead to transmission-related symptoms. Here are the most common symptoms of code P0773: a transmission slippage, gearbox overheating, transmission sticks in a gear, reduced fuel economy. Engine shows symptoms of misfiring, vehicle goes into degraded mode, check engine light. How to diagnose code P0773? A P0756 code may be triggered by transmission-related symptoms, but it may be difficult to identify the precise faulty part. The code definition may indicate that the shift solenoid has triggered the code, but is not always the culprit. Since the transmissions are located under your vehicle, inspecting it and finding the cause is not easy. If you want to diagnose the problem correctly, you need to consult a trusted automotive professional. How to repair code P0773? Since there's no magic formula for code problems, solving the problem will depend on the defective component. The first step towards fixing the problem is to obtain an accurate diagnosis. Once you've identified what triggers the P0773 code, you can consult credible online repair resources and how-to guides for the best possible solutions. You should always consult your vehicle's repair manual for troubleshooting and repairing diagnostic codes. Chilton repair manuals can also be helpful. However, all data subscriptions are even better, as they provide detailed factory repair information for drivers who wish to carry out repairs themselves. Further notes on code P0773. In addition to a faulty shift solenoid, this code can also be triggered by a faulty transmission fluid filter, or by the other causes listed above. Before replacing your shift solenoid, test it to make sure it's the faulty part that triggers the code. Failure to follow the correct inspection procedure can result in the replacement of a perfectly functioning solenoid. Vehicle brands such as Chrysler, Ford, and Toyota may be affected by problems that define code P0773. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0773 is essential for diagnosing issues related to the electric E-shift solenoid. By recognizing the symptoms and potential causes, you can take the necessary steps to address the problem effectively. Whether it's a simple fix or a more complex repair, staying informed will help ensure your vehicle operates smoothly. Remember to consult a professional mechanic if you're unsure, as they can provide the expertise needed to resolve any issues. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you keep your vehicle in top condition.